From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast, and I'm your Smoky Mountain Meteorologist, Poteet. We are marching through May pretty quickly, aren't we? My gosh, we're only about 2 weeks away from Memorial Day. You still have plenty of time to book a cabin for the holiday in the Smokies. Use our website, visitmysmokies.com, and then click Stay. A recent story in our travel tips section put it nicely. They said, picture yourself stepping on the porch of a quiet cabin, coffee in hand, while looking out at the mountains after the gentle melody of birds awakes you. The only traffic you're concerned about is a doe and her fawns crossing the back roads outside your cabin. Memorial Day weekend in the Smokies, not just a chance to escape, but a chance to reconnect with nature. Now, this weekend gives you a chance to reconnect with water. This will be the opening weekend, May 10th, Saturday, for Dollywood's Splash Country's 2025 season, which, by the way, will be Splash Country's 25th anniversary season. They've been voted a top 10 outdoor water park by the readers of USA Today. 16 rides, a wave pool, a lazy river, and live music. And this is always important at a Dollywood place. That's new food items this year, including chicken street corn nachos, chicken Alfredo pizza, and garlic parmesan chicken tenders. The iconic yellow chairlift of the Gatlinburg Sky Park are going to be busy this month, taking people to exciting events, which include the Mountain Laurel Days and the Festival of Flags. That begins on May 16th. Also, there's the Grand National F100 Show, the largest classic Ford pickup truck event in the world. It's coming to the LeConte Center in Pigeon Forge. It's open to classic Ford trucks, 1996 and older. Gosh, is something from the 1990s now is classic. The show is scheduled for next Thursday through Saturday, May 15th through the 17th. That's the same weekend, by the way, of the Bloomin' Barbecue Food and Music Festival. That'll be in downtown Sevierville. Well, let's get back to this weekend and focus on the temperatures in the Smokies, which are going to be into largely the 70s, close to 80 on Sunday. And we could start to see some showers around by later day Sunday. Monday, pretty good chance of rain and some thunder and a high of 76. That chance is still going to be around Tuesday. It may pop up again in the afternoon on Wednesday. At the moment, Thursday looks quiet, and I think we're going to get into the first little muggy weather that we've had this season. Those temperatures be up into the mid to upper 80s, and the humidity will be a touch high. Good time to get to a higher altitude in the Smokies and cool off on some of those summer days that are going to be ahead when you visit mysmokies.com.